Thank you for staying with us, and a very warm welcome to those who've just joined us. Where have you been all day? We're coming to you live from the National Results Operations Center of the IEC, and the Commission is calling on voters to behave themselves. Chairperson Mosotho Moepa says some unbecoming conduct has already been noted. Voting stations will be closed at 9 this evening, but the IEC will allow anyone in the queue to vote.
We have made good security arrangements, but in these elections, and sadly one must condemn that, in these elections we have seen unbecoming behavior, and I want to ask parties, supporters and leaders to rein in our people. This is an election we need to ensure is conducted well. And we don't take it lightly. We are doing our best to ensure that. I want to ask that, party supporters in particular must not take the law into their hands. Let them allow electoral officials to conduct this election. Where election officials do something that is unbecoming, help us to bring that to our attention. We'll deal with it. But there is no reason for every one of us to be managing the same thing. We have different roles, and let us play our roles. We do well when we do so.